Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the basics right. Connect both machines to the same network and sign in with accounts you control. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings to turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing. This lets Windows advertise shares. Make sure Private Network Profile is selected so Windows applies sharing rules. After this short setup, you're ready to create the actual shared folder and set permissions. You now create the share. Right-click the folder you want to share, choose Properties, then the Sharing tab and Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder, name it clearly, and set the number of simultaneous users. Then click Permissions to assign read or read/write for specific users or everyone. If you prefer a simpler route, enable Nearby Sharing in System Shared Experiences, which shares files with nearby devices quickly. Make sure both machines allow incoming connection. You finish by accessing the share from the other PC. Open File Explorer and type \hostname or \192, 168, x/share name, press Enter, then provide credentials if prompted. Once connected, right-click the shared folder and map network drive to keep it handy at next sign-in. If things fail, check Windows firewall rules, confirm the target device's network profile is private, verify user permissions, and ensure SMB protocols match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.